Let's go, everyone. Super excited today to be opening this brand new Trezor Safe 5. This is the Bitcoin only version. And Bitcoin only hardware wallet comes in nice Bitcoin orange color. Looks like it comes with a USB-C cable and works with the Trezor Suite app. So this is good for nice. That has a color touchscreen, EAL6 plus secure element protection. Yeah, Gorilla Glass. Their new version that just came out. Let's check out the package. All right, so looks pretty well protected. You always want to order these directly from the manufacturer, so order this directly from Trezor themselves. Let me cut in this plastic. So they have it plastic protected. Here's the first layer. They also have it protected here, so it hasn't been tampered with before. It might make sense just to get some in case it catches on. Rip off, store your Trezor. Wow. Cool. Nice packaging. Let's check out get started first. Set up 15 minutes, all right. Just some get started. Oh, cool stickers. Get started instructions, cool stickers. Trezor. Love Bitcoin, wallet backup, recovery seed. Yep, some recovery seed papers. Show you all this before we get to the actual Safe 5. Cool, yeah, 20 words. I have some of the metal recovery seeds for more permanent wallet backups, so I'll be unboxing that shortly. It's coming in the mail. USB-C to USB-C cable, very short, but that's all you really need and what you all have been waiting for. Wow, this is a really nice Bitcoin orange color. Really nice size, really cool. It's also secure down here, show that. Have this sticker to show, this security sticker to show that USB-C has not been tampered with and this device has not been used. So yeah, very cool. Again, recommend buying this directly from the Trezor website. Let me know what you guys think of this product in the comment section below. And yeah, hope you're all doing well. Stay humble, stack Satoshis. All right, see you all next time. Later.